Want to lose weight fast without leaving your house? I've got the perfect workout for you. Benefits: effective, no equipment needed and beginner friendly. But why do we talk about losing weight? Losing weight have many benefits on our health. Here are some benefits of losing weight. Better sleep. Losing weight can ease sleep apnea by reducing neck fat, improving sleep quality and energy levels. Lower cancer risk. Weight loss decreases the risk of cancers like pancreatic, kidney, liver, and postmenopausal breast cancer. Heart health. Weight loss eases strain on the heart, lowers blood pressure, and reduces bad LDL cholesterol. Stroke prevention. Reducing weight lessens blood vessel pressure, lowering stroke risk. Improved diabetes management. Even a 5% weight reduction enhances insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation linked to type 2 diabetes. Boosted libido. Hormonal changes from weight loss can increase sex drive. Before we go deeper, please subscribe and like to stay informed on weight loss tips. Before exercising, we have to warm our bodies. It is essential to prevent injury and improve performance. Others benefits include increased flexibility. Improves the range of motion and flexibility in muscles, tendons, and ligaments, enabling smoother and more efficient movements. Enhanced performance. Prepares the body for intense activity, improving strength, speed, coordination, and reaction time. Improved circulation. Elevates heart rate and oxygen delivery to muscles, optimizing performance. Reduced muscle soreness. Loosens muscles and minimizes post-exercise soreness. First exercise is burpees, full body engagement. It is a high-intensity exercise that works multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Each repetition engages the arms, chest, core, glutes, quads, and hamstrings, providing a full body workout. This combination of strength and cardio makes burpees highly effective for burning calories. High calorie burn. Because burpees require a lot of energy to perform, they torch calories quickly. The intense movements elevate your heart rate and metabolism, resulting in greater calorie expenditure compared to isolated exercises. This afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, means you continue burning calories even after finishing your workout. Cardiovascular boost. Burpees improve cardiovascular fitness by rapidly increasing your heart rate. This makes your heart work harder to pump blood and oxygen throughout your body, which not only supports calorie burning but also improves your overall endurance and stamina. Weight loss benefits. Increased fat burn. By engaging multiple muscle groups and maintaining a high heart rate, burpees help the body use stored fat as fuel. Time efficiency. A few minutes of burpees can deliver the same calorie burning benefits as a longer, lower intensity workout, making them ideal for weight loss. Strengthens muscle. Building lean muscle mass with burpees boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Customizable intensity. You can adjust the speed and number of burpees to match your fitness level and weight loss goals. By incorporating burpees into your routine, you can accelerate weight loss and build a stronger, more toned body in less time. Second exercise, mountain climbers.it, is a dynamic exercise that combines cardiovascular conditioning and core engagement. Cardio, the rapid, repetitive movement of bringing your knees toward your chest, keeps your heart rate elevated, making it an excellent calorie-burning exercise. Core, maintaining a plank position while moving your legs challenges your abdominal muscles, oblique, and lower back, strengthening your core and improving stability. High calorie burn. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups, including your shoulders, arms, legs, and core, which demand significant energy. This leads to a higher calorie burn during the workout and helps create a calorie deficit, essential for weight loss. Fat burning potential. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity exercise, which boosts your heart rate and metabolism. This creates an afterburn effect, EPOC, where your body continues to burn calories post-exercise, contributing to fat loss over time. Full body activation. It targets the entire body. The legs drive the movement, the core stabilizes the motion, and the upper body supports your weight. This total body effort increases your overall fitness level and muscle tone while supporting weight loss. Time efficiency. Mountain climbers pack a lot of benefits into a short time. A few sets of this fast-paced exercise can deliver cardio, strength training, and fat burning in one workout, making it an excellent choice for busy schedules. Beginners can start slow, focusing on proper form to avoid injury while still reaping the cardio and core benefits. Advanced variations like cross-body climbers or adding a twist can further amplify intensity, burning more calories and engaging additional muscles. By incorporating mountain climbers into your routine, you can boost cardiovascular endurance, strengthen your core, and accelerate fat loss, making it a powerful tool for achieving weight loss goals. Exercise 3. Squat jumps. It is a high-intensity plyometric exercise that focuses on strengthening your legs while burning calories. It targets the legs. 1. Engage key muscle groups on quadriceps. The downward motion engages the front of your thighs. Glutes. The upward jump activates your gluteal muscles for explosive power. Hamstrings and calves. These stabilize and support the motion. 2. Improved muscle endurance. Repeated squat jumps enhance endurance, making your legs stronger over time. How squat jumps burn calories. Cardiovascular challenge. The rapid jumping increases your heart rate, torching calories during and after the workout due to the afterburn effect, EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Full body activation. While primarily targeting legs, squat jumps also engage your core for stability, leading to a higher calorie burn. Low impact alternatives. If high impact movements are too intense, try these variations. Body weight squats. Perform regular squats without jumping. Focus on a slow and controlled movement. Step squats. Step side to side between squats to keep it dynamic yet gentle. Seated squats. Use a chair to reduce strain while mimicking the squat movement. How they help with weight loss. Boost metabolism. Squat jumps are intense and elevate your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Strengthens muscles. Building muscle mass in the legs increases your resting calorie burn because muscles require more energy than fat. Efficient fat burning. Combining strength and cardio in one move makes it a time-efficient way to lose weight. Incorporating squat jumps, or their low-impact alternatives, into your routine, paired with a healthy diet, can significantly support weight loss and overall fitness. Exercise 4. Plank to knee tap. It is a dynamic exercise that combines core strengthening with cardio, making it an excellent addition to your fitness routine for weight loss. 1. Engages core muscles. The plank position activates your abs, obliques, and lower back, building overall core stability. The knee tapping motion deepens the engagement by targeting the lower abs and improving balance. 2. Improves stability. Regular practice strengthens your core, which is essential for posture and reducing injury risk. How it includes cardio. 1. Boosts heart rate. The added knee tap movement introduces dynamic motion, increasing your heart rate. 2. Combines strength and cardio. This fusion allows you to burn calories while building strength simultaneously. How it helps with weight loss. Burns calories. The combination of strength and cardio creates a calorie burning effect during and after the exercise. Builds muscle. Strengthened core muscles boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Full body activation. Though focused on the core, it engages the shoulders, arms, and legs, making it an efficient fat-burning workout. Low impact alternative. If the full motion feels too intense, you can hold a basic plank and lift one knee at a time slowly for a gentler version. By blending strength and cardio, plank to knee taps are a versatile exercise for toning your core and supporting weight loss goals. Exercise 5. Side lunges. Side lunges are an effective exercise that tones the lower body, improves flexibility, and supports weight loss. Here's how they work. How side lunges tone the lower body. 1. Engages key muscles. Glutes. Works the gluteal muscles, giving shape and strength to your hips. Quads and hamstrings. Targets the front and back of the thighs for balanced muscle development. Inner thighs. The lateral movement specifically engages the adductors, which are often neglected in traditional exercises. Enhances stability. Strengthens the lower body while improving balance and coordination. How side lunges improve flexibility. 1. Stretching effect. The wide stance stretches the inner thighs, groin, and hips, increasing flexibility over time. 2. Increases range of motion. Regular practice enhances mobility, especially in the hip and knee joints. How side lunges help with weight loss. 1. Calorie burn. Side lunges are a compound movement that engages multiple muscle groups, burning more calories than isolation exercises. 2. Builds muscle. Toned muscles in the lower body increase metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently. 3. Functional movement mimics everyday actions, making it easier to stay active and burn calories throughout the day. If stepping side to side is challenging, try stationary side lunges where you lean into one leg without moving your foot. By toning your legs, increasing flexibility, and boosting calorie burn, side lunges are a must-have for weight loss and overall fitness. Exercise 6. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a powerful core exercise that target the abs and obliques while supporting weight loss. How bicycle crunches target the abs and obliques. Upper abs. The crunching motion activates the upper abdominal muscles. Lower abs. The pedaling motion works the lower abdominal area, often hard to target with traditional crunches. Obliques. The twisting motion as you bring your elbow to the opposite knee tones the sides of your waist, sculpting a defined midsection. The continuous twisting and pedaling movement ensures the entire core is engaged, building strength and stability. How bicycle crunches help with weight loss. Burns calories. The dynamic nature of the exercise elevates your heart rate, combining strength and cardio for a higher calorie burn. Builds lean muscle. Strengthened abdominal muscles improve your metabolism, making it easier to burn fat over time. Spotlights core fat. While no exercise can target fat directly, strengthening the core helps reveal toned abs as overall body fat decreases through a calorie deficit. For beginners or those with joint issues, perform a slow, controlled bicycle crunch without lifting the legs too high. Bicycle crunches are a highly effective, time-efficient exercise to strengthen the core, tone the waist, and aid in weight loss when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Try this workout daily or at least 3-4 times a week, and pair it with healthy eating for amazing results. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe for more workouts, and let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite. Check out my 10 best exercises to burn belly fat workout video for more exercises to complement this routine.